Hello friends, welcome to Changzhou Yamax online showroom. Today I would like to give more information about our hot seal silent generator YM1100TD series. This model is powered by our 1100F air-cooled diesel engine. And as you can see, the appearance is very nice and modern. The color can be combined by 2 or 3 colors as you customized. It has handle for easy push the generators. It has a very big door to open to look inside to check the status of the generators. And it has 4 small wheels. 2 is universal and 2 are directional. So it's easy to move. Now let's look at the panel. It's a vertical panel. Here is the kickstart. This meter can be changed to 3-in-1 or 5-in-1 meters to look more nice and multi-function. As you can see, this generator is single phase, and we can also make 3-phase. In frequency, we can also make 50 Hz and 60 Hz. It's no problem. For sockets, we can also customize them. This one is American type, and this one is industrial type of sockets. Both can be changed to others as your requirement. We can add ATS connector to connect with ATS device if you requirement. We can also realize the control by remote controller based on your requirement. Now let's open the door and look inside. Here is the engine produced by Changzhou Yamax 1100F model. We only use good brand batteries and alternators. Batteries we use free maintenance battery. And we have very big fan for this model. It's different from other models. So that is one of the reasons it has been very popular, because it's easy to cool the alternator and engines. So even in very hot area, it can performance very well. And this is the very big fuel tank with capacity of 30 liters. The fuel can be added from the top. Unscrew this cap, and you can add the fuel. And from this small window, you can see the fuel level to make sure fuel is enough for the generator to use. For this model of generators, we have complete series from 3 kilowatt to 8 kilowatt. So just let us know your required power level. We will give you our best solution. Thank you.